Hello, it's Kirk from LawConsuls. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Keyword External tool for keyword research for lawyers. Now, because I've already visited the tool today, I won't have to enter any security information to make sure I'm a real person doing research. Here I'll go ahead and enter in my keyword search phrase I'm going to be researching today, which will be Chicago divorce lawyer, and click search. Now I want to narrow the results, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the lower left hand corner here where it says match types and click phrase to narrow the return and deselect broad. Additionally, I want to remove like the personal injury attorney results, so I'm going to deselect medical malpractice and personal injury. After a moment, the list will recalculate. So then I should have a list that's pretty close to being what I want, but there's still going to be some returns that are not going to be directly relevant to the type of research I'm doing. If I want to go ahead and narrow it down a little bit further before downloading my results and my information, I'll go ahead and click this box here next to keyword, and it'll select everything. And then what I do is I go ahead and deselect what I don't want. So we have Chicago divorce lawyer, Chicago divorce attorney, Chicago divorce attorney, Chicago divorce lawyer, divorce Chicago. These are all relevant searches, but all of a sudden here we have Chicago bankruptcy lawyer. Now this is not exactly on point for the type of research I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect that. If I was doing research for a firm that also did bankruptcy, that would be on a separate spreadsheet. That'd be for separate keyword research. It wouldn't be for the divorce practice area. The same thing with Chicago criminal lawyer. Even though there may be some domestic stuff related to divorce, it's still not directly on point for the research I'm doing. So we'll go ahead and deselect that. Divorce lawyer in Chicago. Now that's completely relevant. Best divorce lawyers Chicago. We might want to have that in there as well. Chicago lawyers, it's not exactly as on point. However, it's something that people may use to search for an attorney, but because we're trying to really target divorce cases here, we're going to go ahead and deselect that from the list. Now let's say I had all the entire list completely optimized for Chicago divorce lawyers. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and download this information so I can import it into my SEO for lawyers spreadsheet. And when I do that, also I'll get all the information like global monthly searches and local monthly searches and local search trends. It'll give me the information that I need to go ahead and import it into my spreadsheet for further research and to be able to utilize the information with my keyword formulas. So let's go ahead and download. To do that, there's a little button here that says download. That would download selected. And you can either download it as a CSV for Excel or just a CSV. I like to download it as just a CSV. So I'll go ahead and select that and click download. And then my browser will go ahead and automatically download that information for me. Now let's say I wanted to do more research. I just click this little box right here, and I could go ahead and do some new research by typing in a new phrase in the upper left hand corner. And that's how you do keyword research using the Google Keyword External tool.